Hi guys! Have you ever thought of securing a lasting tribute for your loved ones? A memorial lot isn't just a piece of land. It's a place of eternal remembrance and peace. Imagine a serene sanctuary where generations can come together to honor cherished memories. Investing in a memorial lot today ensures your family's legacy is preserved with dignity and respect. Whether you choose a tranquil garden setting or a scenic location, it's a heartfelt decision that provides comfort and solace for years to come. Let's create a lasting tribute together. Invest in Manila Memorial Park, Davao today and secure a timeless place remembrance for your loved ones. For more info, contact us below.